how to watch music videos on Spotify. So if you want to watch music videos on your Spotify, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Spotify application. Now, I don't think that this has rolled out to the United States just yet, but just make sure that your app is up to date and click on an artist, and then you can click on a song of that artist. Once you play the song, then on the bottom left you will have an option to switch to video, but this update is only available in the United States. So if you're out of United States, you won't be able to have this feature. So you'll have a switch to video on the bottom left. If you tap on switch to video, then you'll be able to watch the music video of that particular song. So that's how you can watch music videos on your Spotify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.